joint clip. Fastens the two planks so that it doesn't expand and contract at this point. We don't want this. On a wall scenario, fat side towards the wall, which the wall will be here. The next way, on a soffit scenario, on the back of this little L, which is then hidden, skinny side towards the wall. Hello everybody, you got Keith here with AL13. We got another little tip and trick for you on our plank product here. So we've talked about in the past how, you know, we do have finished edges, but with finished edges and through manufacturing and extruding, we try and make sure that everything is as square as possible, but please check your edges. And you're gonna check your edges with either a square like this, or a speed square, framing square, as some people call it, or bigger squares like this big yellow guy here, a little bit more awkward. Now you're doing this because on the wall, when you're over 12 feet, you need to join these planks together. And if you don't check for square and fix it, you might end up with something like that. Well, we don't want that, right? We want a nice, clean, nice, tight look. And by doing that, you're gonna have a really nice laid out wall where you're gonna have a patternized look, just like a real wood finish. Now, the most important thing, so basically what we're gonna do is we have a clip, it's called a joint clip. It comes in a pack of 100, and it comes with a bag of 200 screws, and that's because each clip gets 2 set screws. And what it is basically nice little, I'm gonna say about 3/8 screw here, tapered head goes right into that hole really nicely, and basically fastens the 2 planks so that it doesn't expand and contract at this point. We don't want this. We want the expansion and contraction to come from the ends of the product, from each end, not from the middle, okay? So there's 2 ways that we can install this joint clip. One way is to have it, let's say we're pretending this is our wall, is to install the joint clip on the wall, and like so, and then have the other one as well do the same thing. And these work exactly like our clips, basically. They're the same sort of design. And then you're gonna set your screws in there. And what that does is it stops everything, makes it nice and one solid piece right here. The next way, which I actually like a little bit more, but most people do it because they're going to use it on a soffit scenario, is they will then install it on another portion of the plank which we have, and that is on the back of this little L, which is then hidden, and it really fits nice on there, and it becomes actually got a tip from one of our installers on this actually, which was really nice. And then again, you just put your screw in there, drill that in there. I won't do that, but you can understand the concept. And now we have expansion and contraction from the ends, not from the center. So either again on the back, now you have a full 24-foot length that you can put up on a wall, on a soffit, or on a wall scenario, or again, we'll repeat it again, or you put it on the tongue, which ends up being on the wall. You're gonna put fat side towards the wall in this scenario, okay, just like so, okay? Fat side towards the wall, which the wall will be here. And if you use this section, you're gonna flip it around and see that we've designed it so it fits right inside there nicely. Now you got skinny side towards the wall, or fat side towards the outside, because you need to be able to screw it in, so that's why you do that. So that's a little tip and trick for today on joint clips. Don't forget them. If you're doing a pattern, please don't forget your joint clips. And that's all you gotta do. Hey, you've got Keith. No, you can't talk. You gotta stop talking. Okay. Hey, you've got Keith here with AL13. I'm here in front of in Waterloo, Ontario, looking at an A&W product, one of our many national brands. We're proud to be a part of them. Looks fantastic. They just finished this last week. There's about 30 more coming up, and another 50 next year. If you're looking for a nice, durable, long-lasting product made of aluminum, please visit us at AL13.com. AL13.com. Don't forget to visit. Subscribe.